Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. We're going to show you these Churchill out of the blue dinner plates. They're 10.75 or 10 3/4 inch diameter, plain rim. Churchill out of the blue was this very quite an old-fashioned looking, almost Spode-esque, isn't it, in its sort of central blockwork on these dinner plates. This lovely big central flower bowl in blue with tulips, roses, peonies spewing out from it, and then this almost wavy border with the hatching around the rims. Let's show you the china marks on these. Nice pictorial Churchill out of the blue, inspired by Mary Gilliatt, interior designer in the 20th century, who helped design this range for Churchill. Microwave, dishwasher and oven proof, freezer proof as well, no doubt. So modern, very practical, good quality dinner plates. They're in really nice condition, absolutely clean on the surfaces, hardly a mark on them, and the rims, as you can see in this stack, absolutely mint. So a fine choice if you're looking to extend your range of Churchill out of the blue dinner plates. We've got 4 of them available. They're going to be sold individually. We've also got the cereal bowls and some teacup trios going on sale. So if you're looking to extend your out of the blue china set, do have a browse on the website. We'll pop a link in the description taking you through to these dinner plates listings, all the measurements, prices and anything else you're likely to need to know before purchasing on that website listing. So do click through. Thanks for watching.